Welcome back everyone to my channel. Today's video is going to be our Ipsy unboxing for the month of April. I have both my bags here. I just received them both, so I have no idea what's going on inside my bags. If you guys want to know how to subscribe to Ipsy or you want to know all the good juicy stuff about Ipsy, I'm going to have everything linked down below. But let's get jumping into this unboxing. So our very first bag is this right here. Oh, I have a brush. Looks like the very first thing I have is a brush, and this here is by the company called Firma Beauty. It is a angled brush, which would be perfect for kind of defining the crease area. So I don't really know a whole lot about the brand Firma, but I'm definitely excited. I always love getting brushes inside my bag. Honestly, it's like my favorite thing. I feel like that makes like the bag totally worth it. So thank you so much, Ipsy. And this here is the bag. You guys, I'm actually living for this bag. This bag is so freaking cute. It's got butterflies, and then right on the corners, it's like this metallic baby pink, and then on the back side, it's a lavender. I honestly don't know what I'm getting in my bag for this month. I had no idea what the bag was even going to look like, just because when I get sneak peeks and stuff like that through the mail, I always try to kind of discard them. I try not to look at them. That way there's some sort of element of surprise when I get my bag. The very first thing I see in here is a Real Her Girl Power Moisturizing Lip Gloss. I like the packaging. As you guys can see, it is black and white packaging. So I'm going to go ahead and do a little bit of live swatching for you guys. Very moisturizing. This is definitely not a matte formula. Matches my nail. Look at that. Look at that, you guys. It matches my nail. If you guys are wondering what my nails are, these are gel color nails by the company D&D. Rosewood is the color, and I know that for a fact because I double checked it because I always get comments on my nails, so I like that though. The very next thing I have in here is by Pure Elise. This here is the Coconut Oil Coffee and Sugar Body Scrub. This is supposed to smooth, exfoliate, nourish, and deeply moisturize, and this is formulated for all skin types. Oh, it smells just like coffee. Super exfoliating. It's got little like coffee beads inside of it. Oh, that's awesome. Oh my gosh. I love coffee. So anything that smells like coffee is amazing. This is super exfoliating. Yeah. And then I did forget to mention, but inside the Real Her box came with a little coupon, and it's 30% off if you guys want to purchase something from Real Her. It's Ipsy Girl Power. So that's really cool. The next thing I have in here is by Feel, and this is a self-warming clay mask. Cleanse your face with warm water, dry thoroughly, and then apply for 10 minutes. Interesting. And then the very last thing I have in here is a blush, I assume, and this here is in the color Chameleon, and this is by Ofra Cosmetics, and it's just the pan, so which I personally prefer because I just pop it into my Z palette. This is the color right here, really pretty baby pink. Wow, that's pigmented. I really like Ofra formulas for highlighters, blushes, liquid lipsticks, just about anything. They're highlighters, so my goodness, if you guys have tried their highlighters, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Overall, I'd have to say that I'm pretty impressed with my bag. I'd say that the only thing I'm not super impressed with is, well, there's actually nothing in here, actually. I actually like everything I got in my bag. So now let's move into my second bag. So the second bag is this right here, which is the exact same design as the first bag. All right, so the very first thing I have in here, ooh, this here is by Hempz, and this is the Ultra Moisturizing Herbal Lip Balm. I have used this before. Hempz actually takes me back into like my tanning bed days, you know what I'm talking about? When I used to go to the salon and you used to tan. I know it's totally bad, but everybody did it. Don't act like you didn't do it. And you used to, after you would tan, like everybody had those big jugs of Hempz body lotion, you know what I'm talking about? So this actually kind of takes me way back because my favorite was the lavender one. Oh my gosh, it was the best. So it's actually, this is awesome. I really like this. Definitely going to keep this on hand. The next thing I have here is the same blush that I got in the first bag. This is the Ofra Cosmetics blush in Chameleon. So I'll probably put this to the side, throw it in my giveaway bin for one of you guys. And then we also have a liquid lipstick. This here is the same lipstick that I got from the other bag as well. And this is the Girl Power. It's in the same shade called Mauve. And then the next thing I have in here is this Perfect Coconut Micellar Cleansing Water. And this is an all-in-one soothing, ultra hydrating, no rinse, no rub, oil-free formula. I'm actually supposed to be going to the grocery store today to go pick up more of my, the micellar water that's from Garnier, and I ran out last night, so this will actually buy me a couple of days. I'll definitely try this out and see how it works. Did I get 4 products? Oh, there it is. There it is. I was like, I thought you get 5. Okay, so the very last thing that was inside the actual bag is this brush, and this here is by Vasanti, and this is a concealer buffer brush. A very small brush. I don't know that I use it to buff out my concealer. I would probably more likely use it to maybe apply my concealer or kind of maybe use some brightening powder to chisel up my cheekbone area or dust off powder, but I don't know that I'd use it for concealer, although it's a really pretty brush. I've used Vasanti brushes before. I like them a lot. I like everything I got in my bag this month. I think it's pretty awesome. I normally don't say that about many bags. I don't think I've ever said that I liked both bags for the same month, so that's pretty awesome. But let me know what you guys think down below. And if you guys are wondering, I do pay for this service myself. I know sometimes I see comments about people saying that because I'm an influencer, that maybe I got, you know, the good things in the bag. I actually pay for these bags myself. I don't even know if Ipsy knows that I make these videos. So that, yeah, this is just me, average consumer, getting these products. I just buy 2 bags instead of 1. So let me know if you guys are excited about your guys' bags this month. Have you received your bag, or are you still waiting for it? And do you guys actually look at the sneak peeks? I don't look at mine, but do you guys look at yours? I need to know. So anyways, thank you so much for watching. Before you head out, please make sure to subscribe before you leave. I do reviews, unboxing, hauls. I do a bunch of good stuff on here, so make sure not to miss out, and you guys can also hit that little bell. That will notify you guys when I do post, especially around this time of the month. Every month I do unboxings here on my channel, so I love you guys, and I will see you guys all in my next video, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.